Yeah, hello everyone. So today we are going to extend our further knowledge on Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS. So today topic we are going to drill down in the REST API. So in the REST API we had total 4 to 5 sessions. So in today's session basically we'll focus mostly on the search complex examples. So if you would like to do the searching, similar like if we remember our select statement in SQL. So there are multiple type of select statement, right? In general, we just write select column name, column 2, column 3 from table name. So this is a very simple select statement. But once we write like select column 1, column 2 from this table, inner join this table on this and all. So that becomes little complicated, complex kind of search, right? And also we need to apply filter and all. So the similar thing here also we can achieve through the REST API. We can write the complex SQL where we can have filters, where we can have a kind of linking between the two business entity. So these all things we will see in today's session. And through that, we will have a confidence that in MDM SaaS, as we know that we don't have database access because everything is stored on the MongoDB in the backend. So we don't have any DB access like whatever we had in the on-premises. Like in on-premises, we used to have a DB access. And we used to write select a statement on the backend tables. And we used to see all data in the tables, right? But here we don't have those facility. So only we can get that kind of feature through this REST API. We cannot get the complete feature, but we can get a bit of the feature through this REST API. We can do the select, we can do match, merge, many things we can do manually with the help of this REST API. So let's try to deep dive in the more details.
Sort records in a search API. So basically, means like when we search the record, sometimes we need to see that record in the sorted order. Maybe it can be in ascending or descending order. So for that also we have options to sort the records in the our search API. So how we can sort the records using search API. So we will go to the details on this. So first thing is to identify the sortable fields. So the fields available for sorting are based on the search layout configuration for the entity and the user access permissions. So we can find the available fields by exploring the search layout configuration in the MDM SaaS UI or by reviewing the documentation for a specific entity. So there are many fixed set of entity names are there where we can do the perform the search. We cannot use all the fields to search, all the attributes to search. There are few attributes allowed for this sorting, so we can check that and then we can do that. So the second is using a sort parameter. So the in the sort parameter, the search API request URL allows you to specify the field. So to sort by and sorting directions. So we can choose these options to sort the records. Next. So means like here we have put some syntax, means general syntax, how we can do the sorting. So in that one means like we have order equal to field name, and then we can provide that sorting orders whether we want this in the ascending order or the descending order. So for example, the sort, if we want to sort the city in the ascending order, we need to say order equal to city, and in the bracket we can specify that ascending. And for descending, also we can specify the order equal to city, and then this sort order we can specify descending. So the third option means we have taken the example of this API request. So searching for the records with the name John and sorting by city in the ascending order. We can use this like this URL and then and along with the entity, and then we can use that ordering of the sorting and specify the entity and attribute names. Next slide. So in the subsequent slide, we will see exactly how we can do the sorting. Move on to the next slide, please. Yeah. So we have this one sample code for the sorting. Here we can see this is the body part of the our post request search request method. So in this one, we can see that we provide the entity type, like this is a out of box entity C360.person. And then in the fields, we are providing the name of the field, like C360 persons dot first name. And we can specify the name of this. In this case, we have put the star, meaning we are searching for everything. And then here we have a sort. So in the sort, we are providing the field name, and then field name will be the first name. And then we have provided the order, which is ascending. So it means when we search by this tag, we will get all the records for the person, and which will be sorted in the ascending order based on the first name. Next slide. So this is the result. Means once we will do that, you can see in the bottom sections there are the records came into the in the form of JSON, and then you can see the details here of the record. So whatever matching records are there, those will be fetched here, and then we can review them. Move on to the next. So by this we have concluded the slide for today. Thank you.